Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to easily add vertical panels with sunscreen louvers using one of our ready-made fully parametric Revit families from Structural Details store. You can change the shape of the louver. You can have it as a rectangular shape, S shape, and even oval shaped, and even change the angle of the louver. It will help you perform actual sun and shading studies. So let's find out how to use this family and see all the available parameters. So here we are in Revit. Let's go ahead and create a clean new project using the architectural template. First thing, let's just add a basic rectangular floor to our project, so we can have a surface to work with. All set, and now all we need to do is insert our ready-made family into our model. It's in the downloads folder. Here it is, vertical sunscreen louver panels. We have a few ready-made family types to help you get you started. I will just go ahead and load all of them. Our model has already been loaded, and to add this sunscreen louver panel to our model here, just go to architecture, component, and you will find the actual family here in the component section. I will just choose one of these ready-made. Let's choose the oval shaped aluminum louvers, and you can place it anywhere in your Revit project. I will change the view to a 3D view so we can have a better look. Here is our vertical panel with shading louvers. Let's select it and have a look at the available parameters. Let's have a look at the dimension parameters. First one is the actual height of the panel. You can change it to any height you wish. The actual numbers of the louvers will be automatically adjusted to match the desired panel height, and we can also change the width of the whole panel. Hit apply, you will see the width changing. Let's take it back to 290. The width, let's make it 120, and hit OK. So apart from the actual panel dimensions, what else can we change? We can change the louver thickness. Currently it is set to 30 millimeters. Let's make it 60 just to see the difference. You will see the thickness of the actual louver changing. Let's go closer in, have a closer look. Now it's set to 60. If we change it back to 30, you will see it get thinner. Let's keep the louver height for now. We'll come back to it and have a look at the actual louver angle. With this parameter, we can change the angle on which the louvers are placed. You can add either negative or positive angle values from 0 to 90. Let's change it to a positive value. It basically, the negative or positive sign, it basically changes the direction of the rotation. Currently it is 25 degrees. Let's make it 50. You will see them rotate, and you can go up to 90 degrees. They will be completely closed. Now let's talk about the louver height. It's currently set to 120 millimeters height louver panel. This is the actual height of the panel. I have just changed it to 80 millimeters, and you can see that the louver height has changed, and I will also make it 130 just to see the difference. Notice that upon changing the actual louver height, the number of louvers automatically adjusts. It changes to match the overall height of the panel. So basically what the family does, it will calculate how many louvers are needed to have a specific louver height of 130, so that when completely closed they will fit inside the height of the panel. Let's make it let's make it 80 again, and you will see it will have a bigger number of panels with a smaller height. 120, and let's change the angle to 30 degrees. You may have noticed that by changing the louver height, it apart from changing the number of louvers, it also changes, the family automatically changes and adjusts the depth of the panel. Why is that? The reason is, when the louver angle is set to 0 and they are completely open, flat, completely open, the louver height 120 becomes the depth. So the panel needs to match that depth to fit the louver inside it. If I make it 60, a much smaller louver height, you will see that the depth of the panel will also decrease. Take it back to 120, and you can see that automatically the family adjusts, depending on the louver height, adjusts the number of louvers and the depth of the panel. The last remaining dimension parameter is the frame width. This is basically the surrounding frame of the panel, the width of the frame. It's currently set to 40 millimeters. Let's make it 60 and see how it changes the width of the frame. Make it 30, a nice thin frame. So you can see with very few parameters how dynamically everything changes and gives you the opportunity to create any configuration you need. Have your louvers open or closed or halfway, so you can perform any sun studies you wish. I will change the angle to 30 degrees and now have a look at the different shapes we can have with our model. Currently the shape of the louver is set to an oval shaped louver. Let's select it, go back to our parameters, and you can see you have three options: oval shaped, rectangular shaped louvers, and S-shaped louvers. Currently the oval shaped louvers is selected. I will go ahead and select the rectangular shape, hit apply, and you will see the louvers change to a rectangular shape, and the same with the S-shaped. These are basically for aluminium type louvers. Let's change the angle a little bit so we can see the actual S shape. Let's make it 10. Let's see if it shows. There it is. Or even let's make it 60. There. This is your S-shaped louver. And as we said, you can also have negative degree values. It will basically rotate the louver the other way around. Last parameter are the material and finishes. There are two parameters, one for the frame, the surrounding frame of the panel, and one for the actual louver. Currently the frame is set to an aluminium black color and a silver aluminium color for the louvers. Let's select it, go ahead and change the materials. Frame, I will choose a wooden color, a wooden material, and I'll do the same for the actual louver. Basically you can have any type of material you wish for these two elements of your family. Separates the frame from the louver. So let's go ahead and have a quick look as a recap of all the available parameters. You can select one of the three different shapes for the louver, control the height and width of the overall panel, the thickness of each of the louvers, the louver height, which also changes the depth of the panel, louver angle, Changing the louver angle will help you create sun studies with either open, fully closed, or halfway closed. Also changing the louver height, it will change the number of the louvers included in each panel, and the frame width. And to finish off, we have a parameter for the frame material, the actual frame, and the material selection for the louver. So these are all the few parameters you have available. Very powerful. It will help you create any combination, any type of sunshade louver panel, and install it in your project in no time. You can find this ready-made family in our Structural Details store online library, and you can use it with any of your projects. Thank you for watching.